In this video, we will show you how to add song in WhatsApp status. To add song in WhatsApp status first, in here, we better using WhatsApp, not WhatsApp Business. Because in our try, if WhatsApp Business is limited to a song, so we can using the common WhatsApp, not WhatsApp Business. Okay, to add the song on our status on WhatsApp, just click our WhatsApp and go to our updates and add status here. For example, we add some picture. We must using picture here because if the status is text, it cannot be added with music. Just add this, for example, and select this to add the music. Just click at this, and you can add the music by typing the song. For example, I just select the random song. Okay, I'm select this, for example. And the rest on your door. I never needed anything. You can also drag and drop. Okay, you can using this for you. And after that, we can just click done. Or you can now you can see your status here. It will include with the music. Just wait after that, and you can see. Okay, that's all tutorial how to add song in WhatsApp status, and hope this video helpful for you. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below.